right, back in a machine. It's that time of year, wet December in Alabama, so we build. This is actually my first yard build that's purely using a mini X. Normally I have a skid steer. That's where my experience is more on a skid steer. I don't have much time on a mini X, but I love learning it, so this is a good opportunity. So let me show you what we got going on. Here we got the backyard, and we have this kind of off camber, little odd section, and we're gonna clear out as much as we can here. We're gonna do jumps along the fence all the way up with a 180 that comes back this way. We got a bit of clearing out to do, but this is gonna be a lot of time lapsing. Pretty good Christmas present, huh? We're getting there. So now that I got the area cleaned out, we're gonna walk through it together, see if my idea works with what he wants to do, right? So I'm gonna clean out this path right next to the tree, and we'll do a little tabletop right here, right on this tree. So come down here, and then we'll have a big tabletop here. So you'll have 2 jumps here, 180, and then you'll pedal hard out of this turn. We'll do a landing and then do 2 plastic ramps. So there's 1 long gap and 1 short gap. Okay. And then you'll have laps. Does that work for you?
I like it.
Ended up going in a full different direction than we planned, but yeah, I think it's actually turning out good. Still got to dig this out a little bit. So it'll be a 180 and then his final jump, and then I'll send him back up the hill. Tomorrow I'll come back and shape everything up, give it some hand work, throw the plate compactor on there, and I think we'll be riding tomorrow afternoon. Was it everything you expected? We'll finish up tomorrow.
Okay.
Cold morning, we're back at it. Time to finish up. Got to stack a little more dirt. Then we'll start raking, shaping. I don't think he realizes it, but we're officially done. I got him working. Guess what?
What?
Time to ride.
All right.
We're done, dude. Thanks for the help.
You're welcome.
All right, Cal. Help give the course preview?
Yeah.
This was probably only this much yard. There was a massive tree, bench cut, all that. Mini track right in your backyard. All right, show us the first feature, what we got going on. Got a little step down off one of your plastic ramps. He's got plenty of room to land. He can work his way up to hopefully start catching backside. Then this is where we bench cut everything. This sloped out, came out all the way to about here. This is super wet still. Oh, look at all that moving. We get you some plywood until it dries out. A little double. How long is it gonna take you to clear that? A month. Show what we did on 180, because this is in the back of their yard. Everything comes downhill to the jump, so I dug out the back. So hopefully water will flow down and hit the turn and then actually go around the turn. So all this is trenched, so it'll come around and hopefully water will just go off into the gully. You got a little 180 here. What do we got going on right here? That's a bench. This is all the tree. The tree sat about right here. Broke it up, stacked it up so all the dirt wouldn't go against the fence. Then you come out of the turn. This your freestyle jump?
Yeah, and this is the pro line, and this is just the normal.
Okay, so you said this is the pro line, that's the normal line over there. And then you finish and go back up for another lap. Moment of truth.
Yep.
Time to get the helmet on. What do you think, mama?
This is fantastic. I can't believe you did this in 2 days.
We made a lot out of nothing, huh?
Oh my word. This looks like professional.
I'm a learning professional.
Very, this looks phenomenal.
Thank you. Oh. It's so soft. It's a little soft still. But get it. Yeah.
Alright, yeah. I'll do this one next.
Alright, so when you jump this, but like more you get used to it, try to land over here more. So you'll land wide on this turn and really be able to ride it better and hold your speed to hit that last one.
Oh.
Pedal, pedal, pedal. Good job. All right, what do you think? You happy with it?
I love it.
Good Christmas present?
Oh my gosh, best Christmas present ever.
That's a wrap. Christmas is next week, so you got an early Christmas present. Till the next video, thanks for watching. Peace.